Imagine a world where the most complex problems, like curing diseases or predicting natural disasters or cracking uncrackable codes, are solved in a blink of an eye. Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? Well, welcome to the fascinating world of quantum computers, where the rules of reality itself are rewritten. But wait, what makes quantum computers so different than the ones from the classical ones that we use today? And could they one day replace the devices in your home? Let's uncover the science behind this technological revolution. Spoiler alert, quantum computers won't let you help load cat videos on YouTube faster. Yet. To understand the difference, we first need to break down how classical computers work. At their core, classical computers process information in binary, ones and zeros. Everything you do, from typing a message to playing a video game, boils down to these two states, on or off. Now, quantum computers, they don't play by those rules. Instead of bits, they use qubits, quantum bits. A qubit exists in a state of 0, 1, or both at the same time, thanks to a phenomenon called superposition. Confused? Imagine flipping a coin. While it's spinning, it's neither heads nor tails. It's kind of both. That's superposition. But the magic doesn't stop there. Qubits also interact in a way that's completely alien to classical computers. This is called entanglement. When qubits are entangled, the state of one qubit instantly affects the state of another, even if they're miles apart. Albert Einstein famously called this spooky action at a distance, and honestly, he wasn't wrong. This interconnectedness allows quantum computers to process at a mind-boggling number of calculations simultaneously. Where classical computers tackle one problem at a time, quantum computers can solve many at once. It's like comparing the flashlight to the sun. If a classical computer is your average Sudoku player, a quantum computer is the friend who fills in every square with psychic level precision before you even open the puzzle box. So, what can quantum computers actually do? For now, they're not replacing your laptops. Instead, they're tackling problems that classical computers can't solve within a single lifetime. Think drug discovery, where quantum computers can simulate molecules to design new medicines faster, or cryptography, where they can crack encryption codes that protect global security. They're also making strides in fields like climate modeling, optimizing traffic, and even advancing artificial intelligence. But here's the twist. Quantum computers are still in their infancy. They're fragile, operate in extreme conditions, and require specialized environments to function. The question isn't just how powerful they can become, it's when will they truly change our lives. So, what do you think? Are quantum computers the key to unlocking humanity's future, or are they just an overhyped experiment? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time, goodbye.